You know that there are different strategies you can use to solve a problem. Today, you will use pictures to help you decide how to solve a problem. Sarah has two pets. Her cat Max weighs 8 pounds. Her dog Pete weighs 6 times as much. How much does Pete weigh? So let's start with what we know. Her cat weighs 8 pounds. And her dog Pete weighs 6 times as much. So what we know is Max weighs 8 pounds and Pete weighs 6 times as much as Max. We want to know how much Pete weighs. So let's look at this picture. We need to know how much Pete weighs. We know that Max weighs 8 pounds. So we have one box with an 8 in there for Max. And Pete weighs 6 times as much. So we need 6 times what Max has. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times what Matt has. So 6 times 8 is 48. So Pete weighs 48 pounds. That's the abbreviation for pounds. So the line represents the total of what Pete weighs. There is one box for Max's weight because he weighs 8 pounds. We put an 8 in there. And there are 6 boxes for Pete because Pete weighs 6 times as many as Max. And so 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, that's repeated addition, or 6 times 8 equals 48. We're going to multiply because it's more efficient than doing repeated addition. A helmet was on sale for $8. A skateboard costs 9 times as much as the helmet. How much would it cost to buy both? So we know the helmet cost $8. The skateboard costs 9 times as much. How much for both? So the helmet is $8. We have that here. We need to find out how much is this skateboard. So we've got 8 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, because it's 9 times as much, and 8 times 9 is $72. But the question is, how much is it for both? So how much for both means that we need to add. Same thing as if the question said how much altogether. So we need to add what the helmet costs with what the skateboard costs. So $72 plus $8 is $80 for both.